Inner Balance, a 30-day yoga challenge for you to feel more balanced internally, to gain more strength, more flexibility, and just feel much better. Hi, I'm Marion, your yoga teacher, spiritual healer, and hypnotist. I created this 30-day yoga challenge that you can feel better. And I assume you might be a busy person, feeling stressed a lot, lots of stuff going on, and never enough time for yourself. Well, in this yoga challenge, I have created 30 sessions that are between 15 and 40 minutes max. And the longest is actually yin yoga. I can already tell you that much. But it's between 15 minutes and 40 minutes daily to work on your own well-being. And how do I do this? Well, it's based on the 7 chakras. And if you don't know what chakras are energy centers, energy centers in our body. And there is 7 chakras, and we start with the root, which is located at the bottom of your spine, basically where I sit on right now. So that's where your root chakra is. The next chakra is located here in this area below your navel. The 3rd chakra is, if we talk about names, root chakra at the bottom, sacral chakra here. The 3rd chakra, solar plexus, is in this area. Then you have the heart chakra, throat, and forehead is the third eye chakra. And then above the head you have the crown chakra. Lost for words right now. I'm speechless because I just finished filming all 30 sessions. I mean, I'm telling you, it has been really a lot of work, and I'm so glad it's over. Yes, so I want to focus on those 7 chakras, but not every day. So we have chakra days and meditation days, and we have really physical work days. I mean, even when we work on the chakras, it's physical work. So, but I balanced it out throughout the challenge that you can, on some days when you have strength today, maybe tomorrow is more relaxing. So it's not like 7 days strength in a row. So I balanced out the sessions. That way you definitely feel more balanced at the end of it. And with that being said, I invite you to show up every day and let the discipline be your motivation. And then I'm super excited to hear from you how you enjoyed this 30-day Inner Balance Yoga Challenge. See you soon. Much love. Namaste.